Kawai nagi school ha kanong ba Shillong ka H.Elias Higher Secondary School Nongthymmai ha Shillong mentakasngi kala Rakhe ka jing dap sanphew snem jongka ya kani jing like command let's ngobha lapan po pen phing da MLA ka than uba Charles Ping Group kumu kong san ubat uba latip langkhar ko ngor kumu sembut kong san uba Charles Ping Group ula pendeng sentiu yo mot jong Father H.Elias but kan tiru ya kalama jong ka school Habakran hakani ski uba Charles Ping Group ulay ro yo Father H.Elias ya kajing no senyang barat ba jong usha ka thok katar khasi uba latip langkhar ko ngor ubalong MDC jong ka Nongthymmai constituency ulay ro yo Father H.Elias ba ulong uway na gidkhot jong GS Lok Selection of Don Bosco ubala IT kajing imban pen roy ka thok katar khasi nakaliang jong uba Robert Lendam ulay history balingkot jong ka school
and present. Like it was mentioned earlier, I am no stranger to this school, for I have been given the opportunity to come to the school on many occasions to celebrate the successes and the promises of the future which this school, H.Elias, has provided for the poor and the needy in the last 50 years. Father H.Elias always said in one of his writings, and I quote him, "Kajait bin riu kubapuli, kadi kajait bin riu kubaim." And we are grateful for that, and to the vision and the visionary of Father Usai, who founded this school 50 years ago to provide that education which is so important to all of us, especially for those who cannot reach to other schools because of the social and economical conditions. When we heard of the history of the school, recited by our former student and a teacher, words cannot be enough to prove the essential needs that this school has provided to our society. I was very happy to see that today we had students from all over the country and the Northeast in general who have come to gain the most necessary asset of any citizen, and that is knowledge. Knowledge is an asset that money can't buy. It's an asset that you will take with you forever.
As I stand here, my mind raised up to God, the creator of everything that is good. Well, at the end of this wonderful program, there are many people that we are grateful for. In the first place, I want to thank our chief guest, Mr. Charles Ping Group, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, for showing your care and concern for the school in numerous occasions, and to all of us by your presence. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. You have made this day more meaningful. Similarly, we want to express our appreciation to our guest of honor, Mr. Latif Lang Kharkongor, our MDC. Sir, your presence here will continue to encourage us in serving the young. I express our gratitude to Reverend Father Glorious Simli SDB, our rector, parish priest, and president of the managing committee for leading the prayers and for his constant guidance and help. To Reverend Father Jose, our assistant parish priest, thank you, Father, for being here with us. Thank you, Brother Anand Lakra SDB, our principal, for the welcome address. You made us feel at home by your pleasant words. May our school continue to grow under your leadership. To all the MC members present here, parents, representatives, past peoples, thank you for being here today, and thank you for the services that you are rendering to the school. We are grateful to our headman, Richard Kahit, and the village council as a whole for the constant support. I express our sincere thanks to Mr. Boswell Pala and Melvin, a student, the compeers of the program today. To Sir Sylvester Walang, the leader of the Jubilee Committee, Miss Melody and Miss Persera, the program in charge. To all the teachers and students, media persons who have taken up various responsibilities in decorations, food department, seat arrangement, banners, and the items on the stage, and others to make this day a success.